step 1. And right now I currently have step 2 in my hair, which is the conditioner. Hey guys, so the moment has arrived for me to open up this bad boy and put it in my hair. Now it says for best results to make sure to wash and detangle with step 1 and 2, which is what I've already done. So now it is time to add this deep conditioner to my hair. Now what I love about it, it says revitalizes and repairs, and it is for all hair types. So let's get started. So unfortunately, I am not able to pump out any product, but it's okay because we will get there. So the consistency is thick. It feels like a lotion to me because it's thick in consistency, but also light at the same time. So let's not waste any more time and add this to my wet hair. So it says to apply a generous amount and leave on for 5 to 15 minutes, depending on how dry or damaged your hair is. Now for extremely dry hair, it says it can be left on for up to 30 minutes under a plastic cap. So today I'm actually only going to leave this in for 5 to 10 minutes. Now this deep conditioner is thick. It doesn't have as much slip, but my hair is definitely soaking it all up. So now that I have the product in my hair, I'm actually going to go in with my wide tooth comb and evenly distribute the deep conditioner to my curls. This is what my curls look like. So now that I am done, what I'm going to do, since I have low porosity hair, is add some heat to my hair so that the deep conditioner can really penetrate my hair follicles. So I'm going to grab a plastic cap, place it on my head, and then use my hot head to add that heat for about 10 minutes. I'll be back. Oh hey, I am back. So I rinsed the deep conditioner out of my hair, and these are my results. My hair does not feel dry. My hair still feels moisturized, and I'm super happy with it. Super duper happy. So I like the deep conditioner already as a first impressions. I definitely want to continue trying it out and see how my hair responds. But for first impressions, this deep conditioner did the job. So we're now going to move on to styling my hair. And I'm actually going to use the Kinky Coily all-in-one. So the first time I tried this, I had a little bit of frizz the first time. So we're actually going to try it again for the second time. And I'm excited, so let's just get to it. Now last time I styled my hair to the front. This time I left it the way it was, in a crooked straight part down the middle, just because I didn't really want to have a straight part. And I'm also leaving a lot of product in my hair just because I realize that whenever I go through the sections with my fingers, it disturbs whatever's going on. So I'm actually going to leave my hair just like this. I do see a little bit of frizz in this area, so I'm not too sure what's going on, but I'm going to finger coil. So I'm going to smooth the product down the strand and then finger coil the hair. And as you guys can see, it looks better already. Every hair type is different, so the important message is to do what works for you. If you have to go back in after you style it and fix certain sections, then do that. Your hair, in my opinion, is like a little pick-me-up. Everything that you embody, what you're made of, who you are, makes you amazing. But then, you know, fixing your hair in whichever way you like can add that extra oomph. So take care of your crown, embrace it, love it. Other than that, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell so that you guys do not miss another video. I love you guys. Hey guys, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I love my results. I really love them the second time around. I felt that leaving more product in my hair really did work. Now, the first time I really tried to take out the excess product, but I noticed that it would cause more frizz for some reason for my hair. So do what works for you. You know, not every hair texture is the same. So what may work for me in styling my hair may not work for you. So definitely keep that in mind. I recommend these products. They work really well. My curls are popping. And I am super duper happy with day 1 results. Catch you guys later. Adios.